Hey besties, in today's video I am going to be counting up my 52-week savings challenge. Let's get into it. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit your notification bell so that you know anytime I upload a video. And if you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, if you guys could all do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So I am going to be counting, I've already completed the savings challenge. Now I'm going to be counting all of the money that's in here. I actually do not know how much money is in here, but we're going to count it all. And then I am going to be letting you guys know what I plan on doing with this money. I did commit to 2 savings challenges for 2024, and that was the 52-week savings challenge and then also the 3K savings challenge. I'm still saving for that one, so that one's not quite done yet. And then I also have just like an envelope here that I just save random money in. So yeah, let's see how much money is in here. I am super excited. I have my calculator here because I'm sure I'm gonna need some calculator help. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is separate the money out, okay? So I'm gonna put my hundreds there. Any 50s I have, I'm gonna put them here. And then all my 20s will go here. So yeah, I don't know how much money I actually saved. One of the besties, or a few besties, actually told me how much this equated to, and I think it was like a couple thousand. So we will see. Yeah, so if you guys have never done a savings challenge before, I really encourage that you try it. I've done the $5 savings challenge, and with that savings challenge, basically what you do is you just save every $5 bill that you get whenever you are spending cash. And let me tell you, I have saved a lot of money with the $5 savings challenge. That one was pretty fun. They have like all kind of different savings challenges. So I really want to encourage you to try it if you've never done it before, because it's a cool way to save money and it's very encouraging throughout every month. So I'm not sure what savings challenges I'm gonna do for 2025, so you guys have to make sure that you stay tuned so that I can let you know. All right, so I have all of the money here. I have all of the money separated out, and I'm just going to write this down here. 52-week savings. 52-week savings. I'm gonna do $100 bills, $50 bills, $20 bills, $10 bills, $5 bills, $1 bills, and then we'll add it up all together, okay? So in $100 bills, I have $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600 in $100 bills. Let me take this off because I know my bangles are making a lot of noise. In $50 bills, I have $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $600 in $50 bills. In 20s, I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60. So 660 in 20s. And in 10s, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 in 10s. In 5s, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 in 5s. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9 and $1 bills. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy calculator here and I'm gonna add it all up. We're gonna see what the total is with all of this. Wow, this was never my life, saving money like this. As soon as I got it, I would spend it. Okay, so we have 600 plus 600 plus 660 plus 70 plus 65 plus 9, $2,004. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add all of this up to make sure that this is correct. Now I know it's probably gonna be, I don't know, but I just wanna add all of this up. So give me 2 seconds while I do that. All right, so saving everything here. So this is a $2,000 savings envelope, and this is pretty much what I have saved. A little bit over with the $4, but I have saved a total of $2,004 just with this challenge. And then this challenge here is $3,000. So with both of these together, it's $5,000 that I've saved in 1 year. That is phenomenal, phenomenal. And it's not even everything I've saved. Like, that's just in these saving challenges. I've also saved 1 month ahead. I'm saving, I've saved other things, and like phenomenal. Let me tell you guys, saving challenges are always going to be the GOAT, always. So what am I going to do with this money? So I am going to take about 700 of this money, maybe even 5, and I am going to buy Christmas gifts with this money, probably like 5, maybe like 600. I'm gonna buy Christmas gifts with this money, and then the rest of the money I'm gonna put it in a high yield savings account, and I am just gonna let the money grow. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna do with this money. Yeah, just let it sit there, and hopefully that it will continue to grow and gain interest. So I hope that that was fun, as much fun for you as it was for me. I'm actually going to put this money back in here. And next year, like I said, later on this year, I will be letting you guys know what savings challenge I will be doing for 2025. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
Always on top of yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright.